to fix fast charging not working on Samsung A17. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so first of all, restart device. Just click on hot side power button and volume down button at the time. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. Your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery and click on charging settings and enable fast charging. After enable fast charging, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so check your charger. After check your charger, you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is software update. Click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.